Let's learn how to screen record really easily. You go into your settings, you hit the control center on the left, and you're going to add screen recording to your control center. It's at the bottom. You're going to press the green plus radio button, and then it adds it to the very top for the control center here. So you'll see it there. So now I'll press home. So now you retrieve your quick swipe control center. To record, you press the target style button. It gives you a countdown. Now it lets you know that it is recording. So I'm just playing around here, moving the screen up and down so that you can see it later on as the playback. So you press stop. It's going to ask you a red swipe control button at the top. Then you press the play button when you're done recording to see if you like the recording that's found in your photos. You can edit and trim from there. It's a really quick and easy process. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Quick hack. Thank you so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tune in next time. And this cash, check, or credit review today for the house tool, I'll say is definitely a cash. Thank you.